guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RubyC, and I'm back at you guys with another video today. And this video is going to be a hair tutorial on the hair that I have right now. Yes, take a look. Take a look. Let me turn it back for you. Take a look. Yes, so these are crochet butterfly locks, and they are by Niseyo hair on Amazon. So yeah, I got the 1B pack that comes like 6 in a pack, and it was about $56. So inside you get this little card that talks about the hair company. You get the 6 packs, and then you get a crochet needle, and then you also get this tool right here. And basically this is if you want to combine like 2 locks together. Like if you want to make it longer, like one big lock, you would use this tool and kind of like knit it, and then it would be like one giant lock. Yeah, so I have steps of me doing it, and I have my review of the hair overall, but if you want to know that, you gotta watch till the end of the video, guys. So let's get right on into it. So this is the braid pattern that I did. So I don't know how to cornrow, so as you can see, I did the invisible part method, if that's the name of it. So basically I just started with a braid, braided a little bit down, and then connected it to the next box and then the next box. So, and then the back, y'all, listen, don't judge me. I decided to cornrow. So y'all gonna see my struggle cornrows, okay? So this is what it's looking like. Hashtag don't judge me. Alright, so yeah, I have the Niseyo locks here, the butterfly locks, and this is what they're looking like. They're super thick, super dense. The only thing is like the hole is not that big, so I'm gonna have to like untwist a little. Yeah, the hole is definitely not that big, so I feel like I'm gonna struggle a little bit. But I got the 6 packs of a 1B, and then I also got the 1 pack of the 1B30. I think it's called T30, just for some highlights, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking and we're going to crochet these locks. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like when the front is done. Guys, like, I'm not gonna lie, this was a struggle. Like, the hair is nice, but my main problem right now, number one, I did my braids too tight. Like, I did the big sections hoping that, like, you know, my braids would be a lot bigger, but I did them too tight, and it doesn't help because this is so thick. And the hole, like I showed before, it's so hard. The hole is like so small, and they want you to fit this big thing. My main problem is, first of all, getting this through my hair with the tight braids and it being so big, And then my second problem is once I do put it in, getting all of this through, especially with the whole butterfly effect, it gets caught up and then it made it lumpy. So this took a lot longer to do the front than usually when I do crochet braids. Like usually crochet braids are like boom, 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 but because of how this was constructed, it definitely took a lot longer. So now I just have the back to do. So far, I opened up 2 packs of the black. I still have like a whole bunch left. And then I only had 1 pack of the T30. And I'm doing the highlights like I said. Just wanted to come at you so far because it's the struggle. Like I'm getting a headache because of like how tight my braids were. Plus how thick the butterfly locks are. Like I took some medicine. I have my tension spray that I put on my scalp because, you know, I'm trying to preserve the edges. Like I've been working so hard during quarantine to preserve my edges, and now I'm scared that this is about to snatch everything back up. But oh yeah, let me show you guys how it looks. So yeah, it's definitely cute, don't get me wrong, but Niseyo, we gonna have to do something about like these loops. Like I feel like if the loop was a lot better, it would go a lot smoother, but I'm gonna stop talking and let's finish up the style. So this is how it looks once I'm done. Guys, this like it was the struggle to do. Let me turn to the side for you. Hopefully I don't have any gaps. Otherwise I still have some packs to fill it up. But yeah, super cute, right guys? Yeah, so I'm gonna go add some jewels and style it up, and then I'll come back with my final thoughts because I do have a lot of final thoughts. Okay, alrighty folks, so this is the final look. So I just added some like the gold jewelry, the little feather, seashells, and then I did some to the back. I honestly can't even see the back, so I just added wherever, so hopefully evenly distributed. But yeah, so after like messing around with it, I do like this hair. I had no problems with like how the hair looks. It's just the whole putting it in process was just a whole hot mess and a half. Okay. So I ended up not using 1 pack, but then I had like some black left over, which would probably equal like 2 packs or so. And here's the thing, guys. Like I said before, I showed you that there was some where you couldn't even open the hole wide. And there's 1 pack I have right here. Yeah, this is like going in my face. But this is what the loop looked like. You couldn't even find the loop, and then it just like opened up. And then I thought maybe it was just one, but here's another one, and here's another one, and yeah, here was another one that I tried to open. So basically there was one pack that just couldn't be used. It was basically useless. So yeah, so my overall final thoughts, like I said, the hair is cute and everything, but I feel like they need to step up their game when it comes to making the hole, and just like the thickness of this. But I feel like in general it all has to do with the hole. Like the hole needs to be wider and not come apart, because I feel like that would have made it a lot quicker. Like usually with crochet styles, I'm usually like boom 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 boom, but this one it took me a while just because to find the hole and then to make it wide enough, or like, you know, finding ones that weren't that good. So yeah, so that is my review of the Niseyo hair from Amazon, the butterfly locks. Yeah, and I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm probably going to keep this hair in for like a month or so, like 3 weeks to a month, just because, you know, I took my time, okay? This took like almost a whole day. Like the whole process of washing my hair and doing everything, it took like about a whole day. So I'm getting my money's worth out of this, because this was like about $56 plus, since I got the TV 30 pack, that was another like $12. So I spent like 60 some dollars on this in total. So I'm definitely wearing this out until the locks fall out, okay? But one thing I like about crochet locks is that the longer that you wear them, like when they start looking all raggedy and stuff, it still kind of goes with the lock style. So yeah, guys, that is my review. If you like this video, like I said, please give it a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.